it's wonderful. You know, God has a way of bringing us together. We are from the same mother, we are from the same father. There should not be any segregation. In the Christian way, we all hail from Abraham, and the Muslim will say Ibrahim. So we are one and the same body, soul, and spirit, a world that should not be broken. And I believe this will tell every soul that God has brought us together and we should be friends. We should be one family. We should be heir of God and not segregate ourselves anymore. I believe this has taught us a lesson. And it is once, you know, in a blue moon. I believe listening to my heart, this is a good beginning for us coming together. I'm a Christian and I've enjoyed the Iftar because it actually brought a lot of revelation to what is going on around. And if you actually come to the church, we say the same thing. So it means we have the same mind, we want to grow in the same way, and we want everybody to live in the same manner. So we are one and the same, and God will keep us together, and by the grace of God, there will be no more segregation, no more separation. We shall all live to lead this country to a better future. Thank you.